Welcome students of 7th class. So this is Asif, your mathematics teacher, present before you, and we will continue the lecture to revise exercise 6A, chapter number 6, and the chapter name is algebraic expressions. So this is the video lecture for revision purpose, friends, for the coming examination and for the knowledge. So before starting solving the problems from exercise, friends, there are some terms that we need to understand. So the terms are, first, the constant. Friends, first here is the constant. What about the constant? Constant is nothing, friends. Constant is the symbols or the numerical value which cannot be changed forever. Constant is the symbols or the fixed numerical value which cannot be changed forever, जो कभी भी चेंज नहीं हो सकता है. ओके, एग्जाम्पल 2 friends, 3 friends, or rather suppose a is a constant, suppose, so a cannot be changed at any cost, friends. So this 2 and this 3 cannot be ever changed, friends. So this is constant. Now second term, friends, variable. So the variable means, friends, a symbols which takes various numerical values, that is called the variable. Suppose x plus, suppose in the variables are also used in terms of alphabetical terms like the x, y and z. Suppose x is the variable, so x can take the values as situation to situation. Suppose sometimes x will take as 1, 2, 3, etc. according to the situation. Okay, now the next point is, or we can see the examples. Suppose the variables, the perimeter of a square. Suppose the perimeter of a square p is equal to 4 into side, friends, a. Okay, 4 into side. If you look at, friends, have a look. So here, friends, 4 and this is 4, this is the constant, so 4 cannot be changed. While the talking about the perimeter is this very small, or the perimeter is very big. The square is very big. Suppose like this square, this is also a square, so the perimeter of this square is 4 into a. Suppose a is the side. Okay, a and a and a. And suppose talking about this square, friends, so this is the greater than this, friends. So 4 cannot be changed. So this can be vary, friends. Suppose here is the a, suppose here is the x. Why? Because this is x, this is x, this is x, and this is x. So the side of this square changes, friends, than this. So this 4 multiplied by a, so 4 cannot be changed. While you will take the very small square like this square, this is also the perimeter of this square is 4 multiplied by this side. So side may change in, but this 4 cannot be changed. So here the 4 is the constant and here is the a is the variable, friends. I hope you will be clear. Now the next one is, so the next point is, what about the algebraic expression, friends? Very simple, friends. The combination of constant variables connected by sum of all mathematical operations like plus, minus, divide, multiply is known as the algebraic expression. Like, friends, example 2x, this is only algebraic expression, friends, because the one operation is used. So 2 is the constant, x is the variable, so 2 multiplied by x, this is 2 multiplied by x. So we can write the 2x plus 1. This is also algebraic expression, friends, because 2 is the constant, 1 is the constant, x is the variable. These are all the combination connected with the sum operation, like here is the multiplication and here is the addition. Or another examples, we will give the another example. So see, Now here is the various types of algebraic expression, friends. You will so please go through the books of page number 97, page number 98, friends. Okay, then we will find the various types of algebraic expression, and we had already discussed in the previous video lecture. So please go in my channel and search in the playlist, see the playlist. There is a video about the algebraic expression, chapter number 6, class 6, okay, class 7, sorry. So friends, the terms of algebraic expression, the type of algebraic expression is monomial, binomial, trinomial, quadrinomial and polynomials. So monomial means, friends, in the expression having one term is called the monomial. Here is the 2x, 4x, only x, x square. These are all the monomial, only one term. Binomial means, friends, an expression having two terms is called the binomial. Suppose x square plus 2, if you say this is two terms, friends, and so on. Trinomial, friends, an expression having three terms is called trinomial, okay. And the three term, friends, suppose x square plus 2x or minus 1, one term, two term and three term. So this is trinomial. So quadrinomial, friends, an expression having four terms is called quadrinomial. Example, friends, this is suppose x plus y plus z or minus 5. So this is first, second, third and fourth term, okay. This is quadrinomial. Now friends, polynomial, an expression containing two or more terms. An expression containing two or more terms is called polynomials. An expression having two and more terms is called polynomials. So the example of polynomials, friends, write 2x x square or 3x square plus y plus z plus etc. These are all the polynomial. So hence I hope you also go through the page number 97 and 98. So please come to the exercise, friends, and we have taken the question number 10 first and the sub question 10. See, friends, the question says one question says add, only add the following, okay. Now 10 question is here. Sub question 10, 3 by 2 x cube minus 1 by 4 x square plus 5 by 3. So comma. Now see, friends, add their values, add their expression, friends. We can add because the question says add the following. So we can add. Here is the comma, here is the comma, then where there is comma means add. So this is the front. First of all, see the like terms. Here is the x cube terms, and there is x cube term is here, and there is no other x cube. So write the x cube terms together. 3 by 2 x cube. So this is minus 5 by 4 x cube. Okay, friends. Now see the x square term. Here is the x square term, friends, and the next square term is here is the x square terms and the x square terms. So write the x square terms together. Means first write the, here is the x square term, another x square term is here. Write this one 3 by 5. There is write the first one or this or that. There is no matter. Only we have to be caution. We have to take the only positive. Here is the positive. Write down the positive sign before this expression. Then write this minus 1 by 4 x square. Then write this minus x square. Okay. Now see, friends, here is the constant of 5 by 3 or the x term. Here is the only x term. Here is the only x term, friend. This is x term. This is x term. Okay. Now write the x terms. Here the first write the plus and 3 by 8 x, and this is minus x. Now the constant term is here, friends. Look at this is 1. Here the constant term. Here is the only constant term. Okay. Then write the together. एक साथ इसको लिख दीजिए 5 by 3 plus 1 by 5, and this is last minus 8 by 15. This is also the constant term. Now add. पेयर करके इसको ऐड कर सकते हैं. टेक द एलसीएम ऑफ 2 and 4. दिस इज 4 एलसीएम. डिवाइड 4 by 2. 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 6 एक्स क्यूब. हेयर द माइनस. और वी कैन राइट फ्रेंड्स एक्स क्यूब बाहर में भी लिख सकते हैं, यहाँ पर भी एक्स क्यूब लिख सकते हैं. ओके, एक्स क्यूब इधर भी कॉमन लिख सकते हैं. ओके, यहाँ पे लिख दीजिए एक्स क्यूब साइड में. तो देन डिवाइड दिस इज 6 हो गया और माइनस दिस इज 5. इस तरह से आप लिख सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ सी प्लस साइन. सो टेक द एलसीएम ऑफ दिस इज 1 इज हिडन फ्रेंड्स. रिमेंबर एक्स स्क्वायर को आप यहाँ लिख सकते हैं साइड में. दिस इज 20 इज एलसीएम. Now divide this 20 by this 5 4 multiply by 3 12 friends x. So x is here already. Minus. Now this 4 is divided by this 20 is divided by this 4 and 4 5 ja 20. So 5 multiply 1 5 1 ja 5. So here also minus friends. This is also 20 21 ja 20. So this is friends x square is outside. Now here the x come to this point. This is 8 in denominator, 1 in denominator. Okay, only 2 terms in x. So here the write x out. Now write the x divided by 8 divided by 8 1 1 multiply by 3 3 1 ja 3. So this is minus minus. So this 8 is divided by 1 8 8 multiply by this is only 1. Okay, x. So plus. Now take the LCM of 3 5 and 15. 15 is LCM friends. Divide this 15 by 3 5 multiply by 5 25. Write the plus sign and this 15 is divided by 5 3 3 multiply 1 3 1 ja 3 minus this 15 divided by 1 1 multiply by 8 1 ja 8. Now solve friends. 6 minus 1 5 1 by 4. Here is the x cube plus next friends 12 minus 25. So minus 13 minus 13 by 20 x का स्क्वायर. So now next friends here is the minus 13 by 20 x square. So this is, remember friend, this is 3 minus 8. So this is minus 5 by 8 x. Okay, plus this is 25 and 3 28 minus 8 friends. So here is some, this could be written as, it should be 4. Now friend, this is 20 by 15 friends. So this is 1 by 4 x cube as it is. So plus into minus minus friends. 13 by 20 x square friends. Plus into minus minus 5 by 8 x friends. Now this is friends, remember 5 4 ja friends and 5 3 ja. So this is 4 by 3. So this is your answer. So friends, while solving this type of question, so please be cautious about be careful about plus minus sign. Okay, then calculate. Now see friends, question number 4 says subtract the sum of 8m minus 7n plus 6p square and minus 3m minus 4n minus p square from the sum of 2m plus 4n minus 3p square and minus m minus n minus p square. Now see, subtract friends. And remember friends that we have already discussed in the previous video lecture where there is a term after from and we have to subtract, then they bring the first term which is written after from. So here the two terms is written after from. So bring these two terms the first. So in what situation friends? So the position of this two term is addition. Where is the, here is the says the sum of these two terms. So the sum then difference. Now write the sum 2m plus 4n minus 3p square. The first, the sum means add, then this term minus m minus n and minus p square. Okay friends, then subtract, then write the subtraction sign. Subtract the sum of these two terms. Now the write the sum, then this is 8m, this is 8m minus 7m friends plus 6p square. Okay, here is the, and write this sum. This is minus 3m minus 4n friends and minus p square, close with curly bracket. Now see friends, first remove the bracket 2m as it is plus 4n as it is minus 3p square as it is. Plus into minus minus m friends, plus into minus minus n, plus into minus p friends. Now see friends, first we have to remove the inside the curly brackets. Okay, now this is 8m friends. Here is the minus the curly bracket, 8m as it is, minus 7m friends, plus 6p square friends, and remember plus into minus 3m, plus into minus 4n, and plus into minus p square, close with curly bracket. Now see friends, 2m is here, 2m minus 2m, this is the same like terms. 2m में से 1m जाएगा तो only m, 4n में से 1n गया, this is 3n. Now this is minus 3p square and this is minus 3p square as it is, and minus p, because there is no subtraction between them, because this is the different term. These are the distinct term. Here is the p square term and this is only p term. Just a minute, here the p or p square friends, sorry, this is here is the p square term, sorry, this is the p square and it should be p square. This is also p square. So see friends, minus 3p square and minus p square, minus 4p square. Okay, now please take care friends, the question is what the question is given, so please write down the question very properly, otherwise the answer will be wrong. Now see friends, either solve inside the bracket, this is 8m, here is the 7m, 8m minus 7m. Just sorry friends, here it should be 7n and I wrote here 7m, यहाँ पे 7n होना चाहिए था. ओके, अच्छा से देख लीजिए प्लीज़. 8m minus 7n plus 6p square, and the second term minus 3m minus 4n minus p square. Okay, now this is, now see friends, 3m minus, no, this is 8m friends, 8m minus, here is the m terms, here is the m term, 8 minus 3 5, m is m. Okay, this is n terms and here is the n terms, but both the negative sign, so add their values and put the negative sign, 11n. This is the p 6p square and 1, एक सी 6 में से अगर 1 जाएगा तो 5 plus 5p square. Now see friends, m as it is plus 3n as it is minus 4p square as it is. Now multiply minus with all their terms, minus 5m minus into minus plus 11n minus into plus minus 5p square. So here is the m terms, here is the m terms, so this is the big and with the negative sign, so the answer will be in negative. So we can write friends, minus 4m. Okay, here is the friends 3n plus 11n, 14n minus 4p square and minus 5p, both the negative sign, so place the negative value and add their values, 5 plus 9p square. So this is your answer friends, I hope you will understand. Okay, now similarly we can solve the other questions friends, because we had already discussed and you know how to solve. And the last question friends, question number 6 of sub questions 4, because 6 has 4 sub questions and we have taken and we will take question 6 of sub question 4. Now see friends, 6. Now see friends, question number 6, simplify, and the sub question 4, 1 by 3y square minus 4 by 7y plus 5 close bracket minus 2 by 7y minus 2 by 3y square plus 2 close bracket minus 1 by 7y minus 3 plus 2y square with the close bracket. Now see friend, first of all we first remove the brackets. Okay, write as it is 4 by 7 y as it is plus 5 as it is, new bracket. Now multiply this minus to all the terms inside the bracket, plus into minus minus 2 by 7y minus into minus plus 2 by 3y square. Okay, minus into plus minus 2. Okay, so this is minus into plus minus 1 by 7y minus into minus plus 3. So friends, minus into plus, this is minus 2y square. Now friends, bring all the y square terms together. इसको एक साथ लिख सकते along. This is y square terms, here is the y square terms and here is the y square term. Bring all the y square term along एक साथ. 1 by 3 y square This is next y square is plus 2 by 3 y square and minus 2 y square. Okay, now next here is the y terms. Y terms is here, y term is here. So the y term is, bring all the y terms together. So this is minus 4 by 7 friends, y minus 2 by 7 y friends, remember, minus 1 by 7 y. Okay, now the constant term is here, the 5 plus 5, right, and the next minus 2 friends and plus 3. Now see friends, similarly solve. 3 is the LCM, so 3 will get cancelled, और we can write the 3 will get cancelled. y square बाहर लिख सकते हैं या इधर साथ में लिख सकते हैं, there is no matter. तो 3 cancel, 3 will get cancelled. 1 multiply 1, this is 1 into y square, okay, plus 3 is divided by this 3, 1 multiply by 2, this is 2y square. Okay, so here is the 1 is hidden. If 3 divides by 1, 3 multiply by 2, minus 6y square. Okay, now see next, here is the minus term. If you write the minus term, take the common minus, then all terms will be inside the bracket. Okay friends, now write friends 7 LCM. Now remember friends, all denominator are same. Write the single denominator and write the numerator as it is. Here the 4y plus 2y, y friends, and plus 1 into y, because we have taken minus outside. So all the terms inside the bracket, the positive. Okay friends, then multiplying with this minus sign, we will get the same number. Okay, the same expression plus, so plus 5 plus 3, 8 friends, 8 minus 2, yes, 8 minus 2, yes, this is plus 6. So look at friends, so this is y square plus y, 1y plus 2y, 3y square, 3y square means 6y square minus 3y square by 3 friends. Now see minus 3y square, this is minus, this is 7y friends, because 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7y, divided by this 7 and plus 6. Now friends, 7 1 ja 7 will get cancelled, and 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3. So here the answer is minus y square minus y and plus 6. This is your answer friends. I hope you will enjoy with this video and we can solve all the questions. So please revise friends, revise and solve as well exercise 6a all questions. Okay, if you have any doubt questions, please ask me. Have a nice day.